In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Chase Ink business features. So let's get straight into the video. There are a lot of ways you can go ahead and use it. Today, we're going to be discussing 10 of it. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you can do is simply go ahead and manage your account. So you can view balances, recent activities and statements, and even set account alerts and notifications. The second thing you can do is earn rewards faster. So earn bonus points on category spends varies by the card. Also earn points on every purchase, and also track your point balance in the ultimate reward portal. You can also redeem through your ultimate reward, so redeem for travel, cashback, gift cards, and many more. And you can also use payback to yourself to cover eligible expenses and transfer points to leading travel partners. You can also go ahead and pay your card easily with the Ink business features. You can pay online in the app or even set up auto pay. You can choose to pay full balance or even custom amount and avoid late fees and interest charges. There is also employee cards at no extra cost. So add employee cards for your team, earn rewards on every employee purchase, and track spending by card in your account. You can also go ahead and have spending reports and insights. So view spending by category, merchant, and employee. Export report for accounting and taxes, and make smarter business decisions. You can also integrate with business tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Expensify. You can also sync transactions automatically and save time on bookkeeping. Finally, you can also turn your card on or off, set spending limits and restrictions, get fraud alerts, and even enjoy travel protection, purchase protection, and extended warranty, and many more. And finally, you can also go ahead and add Chase offers in your account. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.